DIY, unpacking, do it yourself. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very popular English phrase, do it yourself, or DIY. This phrase is not just about fixing things, it's a rich part of the English language. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Do it yourself is a phrase that encourages someone to complete a task or a project on their own, without professional help. It's often used in the context of home improvements, crafts, or even personal challenges. The phrase emphasizes self-reliance and the ability to learn new skills. The DIY movement has its roots in the 1950s and 1960s, growing out of a desire for people to create and repair things themselves, often as a hobby. Today, DIY is a significant part of global culture, with countless books, TV shows, and websites dedicated to it. This popularity shows the value people place on self-sufficiency and personal accomplishment. You can use do it yourself in various ways. As advice, why don't you try to do it yourself? It might be fun. To describe a project, I'm working on a DIY project this weekend. As an adjective, this book has great DIY tips for beginners. As language learners, embracing a DIY approach can be beneficial. It means taking charge of your learning, finding resources, and practicing independently. Remember, making mistakes is part of the DIY learning process, so don't be afraid to try. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, do it yourself. It's more than just a set of words. It's a mindset that encourages learning, creativity, and independence. Keep practicing your English, and maybe try a DIY project in the language learning world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.